Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to see some queries based on PLSQL. So let's see the first question. Create a stored procedure that displays the name and register number of the student whose membership number is passed as parameter. So here's the query. Create or replace procedure student underscore dit num in number, comma, num out varchar 2, that is the data type, and ref underscore number out varchar 2, you again give the data type, is begin, select student name, comma, student number into name, register number from student where member number is equal to mun, and dbms underscore output dot put line, and inside the braces you mention name, codes, and then reg numbers. So these bars are used to concatenate. So you give end and you give a backslash. Now in order to check the output, we will have to write set server output on, declare n varchar 20, that is the variable, and r varchar 20, and then begin student underscore det, you pass these values to this particular procedure, and then you will get the output, that is the procedure completed successfully. Now the second question, create a stored procedure that receives the book number and raise in price as parameter and then raises the price of that book in the table. So here we go, create or replace procedure book underscore det, raise in price in number, that is the data type, b name in varchar 2, and b number out number is begin update book. The update is used for updating the particular table. So we use the update command, book set price is equal to price plus raise in price where book underscore name is equal to b name. So b name will be the user input over here. So we write select book number into b number from book where book underscore name is equal to b name. dbms underscore output dot put line b number, that means this has to be the output, so the book number will be printed in the output, and then you end the query. So again you write set server output on and declare the variables, that is bn number 10 and begin. You call the function, that is you call the procedure book underscore det, and then you pass on these values, so you get the particular output that this particular book number has been updated. Okay, the next question, the third one. Create a stored procedure which takes issue date and membership number as input. The procedure should display the number of days the books has been borrowed. Okay, so here is the query. Create or replace procedure issue underscore det, I date in date, m number in number, and n days out number is begin, select period into n days from ISS record where member underscore number is equal to num, and then you write this code for displaying the n days, and then for displaying the output you say set server output on, declare nd number 10, you create the variable, and then you give begin and you call the procedure. You are passing the date and the book number to it, and you give end, so the output will be displayed. Next is the fourth question. Create a function which counts total number of books having price more than 300. Okay, just a minute. Here, create or replace function, count books, return number is a number, and inside the bracket you give 10. So inside the begin you write select count book number into a book from book where price is greater than 300, and you return a to it. So once you are done, you give set server output on, and then select count underscore book from dual, so you will get the output. Next is the fifth question. Create a function which counts total fine to be paid by the member. Okay, so it's over here. Create or replace function dot underscore fine, return number is a number, and inside the bracket you give 10. Begin, select sum of fine into a from ISS record and return a, and end. You have to end it, and then set server output on, and you get the output. Okay, the last question, create function to display the member with maximum find. So it's over here. Create a replace function mem with max find, return number is a number, and you write in the braces you give 10, that is the size of the data type. Select member underscore number into a from ISS record where find is equal to select max, and inside the braces you give find from ISS record and return a. You again give set server output on, and then you say select max find from dual. So this will give you the output. Hope you understood it. Thank you.